Welcome back. In this video, we'll set up the cart page component. The cart page is where customers make their final decision. They're reviewing their order before checkout. Showing how close they are to free shipping right here creates urgency. They're about to pay for shipping, but could get it free by adding just a bit more. From your promotion, find the cart page component card and click Create. You'll notice this editor has two tabs, Content and Styling. There's no Placement tab because this component only appears on the cart page. First up is the Content template. Pick a pre-built template to autofill your messages, or select Custom to write your own, just like the other components. Below that is Cart Placement. Choose where on the cart page the bar appears. Top of cart puts it above all cart items, so customers see it right away. Below Checkout button places it after the Checkout button as a last reminder. The cart page bar section lets you show or hide the progress bar. Same as the product page, you can toggle this independently. If you only want the upsell slider without the bar, just hide it. Same message fields as the other components. Main message, progress message, and goal reached message with the same dynamic placeholders. We covered these in detail in the progress bar video. Below that is the cart page upsell section. You can show or hide product recommendations independently from the bar. We cover the full upsell setup in our dedicated upsell video. The setup is separate for each component, but the features work the same. The Styling tab has the same color templates from the other components. Pick the same template you used on your progress bar and product page to keep a consistent look across your store. The preview shows a cart page layout with your items. Drag the cart amount slider to see how the bar looks at different progress levels. When upsell is enabled, you'll get extra styling options for the product cards. Those are covered in the upsell video. Click Create Bar in the top right corner. You'll be taken back to the main dashboard. Now let's test the full experience with all three components. Start on a product page. You'll see the product page bar below, Add to Cart. Add an item to cart. The progress bar and the top or bottom bar both update with the remaining amount. Go to your cart page. Your cart page component shows the progress bar right where you placed it. When you reach the goal, the celebration message appears across all components. Everything works together. If your theme uses a cart drawer instead of a cart page, the component automatically adapts to fit the narrower layout. With thousands of Shopify themes available, each one handles cart layouts a little differently. So we always recommend previewing on your actual store to make sure everything looks just right. If anything seems off or doesn't display the way you'd expect, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help, and our developers will work with you to get it looking perfect. That's the cart page component. In the next video, we'll cover the upsell functionality in detail. Thanks for watching.